everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Banu, and if you're new, hi, and you're also welcome to day 7 of RAUNAK Diwali series. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today the video is going to be a yummy Diwali special sweet recipe. So how can Diwali would be complete without a sweet dish? So yes, I have made a yummy condensed milk ladoos for you guys. So yeah, this is for you. So without any further ado, let's see how I made it. And this recipe just takes 10 minutes. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started and see how I made the cook. And also happy Diwali to all of you in advance. God bless you with loads of prosperity, success and strength, wellness, health and much more. So yeah, let's get started.
So to make this recipe, all you need is a coconut powder, desiccated coconut powder and condensed milk of any brand. I'm using Amul Mithai Maid. It's a sweetened condensed milk so that you don't need any sugar to add. And the mortar and pestle and a spoon, and the pistachios are 10 to 12 pista nuts and elaichi, that is cardamom. So that's it guys. Now first we have to crush the pistachio shells like I'm showing in the video with the help of mortar and pestle. So this is the powder after I crushed. It will looks like this, like I'm showing. I will show you in a bit. So you have to crush the pista nuts, so how they look like, and that's it. Now take the coconut powder, 50 grams of coconut powder into a dish, and then take the spoon and make a well in the middle, and then just add the pista nuts mixture, powder or mixture or whatever it is. Yeah, just add it. And now it's time for condensed milk. For 50 grams of coconut powder, you have to add 100 grams of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. So I'm adding, this is 200 grams bottle, so I'm using half of the bottle, that is 100 grams. So I'm adding it. Then add the cardamom powder. You have to crush the cardamom and then add the powder. Then it's time to mix guys. Take a spoon and mix all the ingredients like I'm showing. And if you think the consistency is too thick, then add some more condensed milk to it. And now it's time to heat it up on the stove for around 10 minutes, and that's more than enough. After 5 to 7 minutes, add a ghee, 2 tablespoons of ghee. So that how the mixture looks like after adding the ghee. So let's switch off the stove and take the mixture aside and let it cool down a little bit up to the room temperature, not the room temperature, it should be a little warm. And take a plate and apply ghee on it so that the mixture won't stick to it. And transfer all the mixture into the plate which we have oiled up or which I have greased. Now take some desiccated coconut powder aside and take ghee on your palms and rub it between, and take the mixture and start making ladoos. And that's it guys. And then roll them in the desiccated coconut powder and keep aside, and do all the process with the rest of the mixture which we have prepared, and then roll it in the mixture of desiccated coconut mixture, and keep aside. And at last decorate them with beautiful rose petals or any flower petals you would like to. So decorate them like this. And that's it guys, the recipe is ready. The yummy, it just takes 10 minutes. So this is how it will turn out. They are so yummy.
I have made 16 of them, and when I'm showing you, there are just 6 left. So that's how they turned out. They are so yummy. So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also let me know what's your opinions about this video in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and also happy Diwali in advance once again. And so yeah, that's it. Let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.